E.J. Scott, Assistant Costume Curator at Killerton House, the National Trust. Interpreting this mid-1950s Wetherall shirtwaister style dress demonstrates how dress in the museum actually expands our understanding of broader shifts in design and social history. It's made from a mixed cotton synthetic fibre. It has a cotton piqué collar, buttons down the front with matching buttons that appear on the cuff and the three-quarter sleeves, has a matching belt, and interestingly is in permanent pleats. Now, because the dress hasn't been worn before, it still actually quite remarkably has the promotional label on the sleeve, and it reads "New Magic Permanent Pleat Permaloom, the pleat that is here to stay." And it has the address, the Wetherall House, Bond Street, W1, quite a respectable location. In actual fact, Wetherall began their manufacturing in North Wales, in Denbigh, in 1901, but it moved to London and established a firm there in 1952. What's most interesting is that they specialised in both sportswear and country wear, and both of these things can be seen in this garment because the garment's colour fits into that very respectable country palette of greens and browns. And at the same time, the permanent pleats allow for a freedom of movement which made it suitable for wearing when playing sports such as tennis. But even more magic is the use of the word magic on the label. What's magic about permanent pleating was the fact that you could now put this dress into the washing machine and the pleats would stay there, which made what was once a very labour-intensive process of having to hand press pleats into the skirt, or even an expensive process of having to send it out to a cleaner, for example, to do it for you, something that was now convenient in the home. So in actual fact, this Wetherall dress stands for how new textile manufacturing techniques produced a trend in dress design that was a fashionable respectability that could be consumed conveniently. Hello, I'm E.J. Scott. I'm Assistant Costume Curator at Killerton House, National Trust. We open up the collection once a month to the public. To find out more, see our head curator talk about Focus on Fashions on YouTube.